As the director of the STEM Innovative Lab, I am responsible for any courses that we teach on the St. Pete campus. There is a STEM implementation. What we try to do is getting our teachers to be more innovative in their thinking as we start thinking about what STEM is all about. Thanks to donations from our partners, we were able to provide scholarships for our students to come to our summer camp, run and provide technology for our boot camp for our teachers. And we were also able to facilitate daily trips that come through the STEM lab. With your funding, we could even expand this not only nationally, but internationally, and allow more students and more teachers to be involved in how we are doing STEM here at USF.